In this Coursova review, I'm going to be showing you a cloud-based software that's going to allow you to sell either your own or even done-for-you courses and software in your own marketplace. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle deal on everything. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Coursova, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, turn your passion, hobby, or skill into a profitable e-learning business right from your home. Create, sell, and deliver courses on your own branded e-learning marketplace without any tech hassles or prior skills. Sell your own courses or choose from 10 preloaded red hot HD video courses to start earning right away. So essentially, this is a platform that lets you sell your own stuff. It integrates with things like PayPal, JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus. Also, you have the commercial license, so you can actually provide this as a service to people. So if you're saying, I don't have anything to sell myself, we can go out there and approach a local business and say, hey, do you have a course or a training or something that you'd like to sell? You want to bring in leads to your business, and we can set that up for you. You can charge them to do that. So it says step one, just you create a course or choose a course. Step two, add your payment method so you can get paid for it, of course. And then three, publish and profit. Of course, you're going to have to send some traffic to it as well, right? To get some to profit from it. You can do, it says here, you can create beautiful e-learning sites with marketplace, blog, and members area in minutes, build courses quick and easily, list and sell, no traffic leads or profit sharing. So if you do this on something like Teachable or Udemy, they're going to take a portion of your money, right? So with this, you get to keep all the money that you sell here. It's got all these other features here. It's free hosting, like all top-notch support, sales page builder with live page editor, everything that you need to get started selling here. Here's some testimonials from people, yada, yada, yada. We know how big this industry is. I mean, e-learning is huge. You can teach anything from computer repair, cake baking, banking, winemaking, healthy cooking, yoga, gardening, pet care, everything. If you can think it up, you can sell it on your own course platform. Now I'm going to skip down here because you guys can look at that on your own time. But I do want to get down here. They have a comparison chart. This is pretty cool, where they compare it to all these different other platforms that charge monthly. Where these ones charge monthly here, the Coursova is $37 one time, or of course, depending upon when you pick it up. The price might be more if you're getting here late watching this. So there's a starter license or commercial. Most people get the commercial license. You can have 50 academies, 50 custom domains, 50 courses, 100,000 visitors per month, 30,000 students, 250 gigs of bandwidth here with this, and all these extra features here. So what I'm going to do now, play you a quick demo video showing you a little bit more about what this is all about. Then I'll be back to show you the members area, the OTOs, and the bundle discount.
Do you know, during the pandemic, the worldwide e-learning industry is absolutely booming, and it is expected to be worth $398 billion by 2026. Now is the perfect time to get in and profit from this explosive growth. And how would you feel if I told you that you can start right from the comfort of your home like a pro, with zero prior knowledge and technical hassles? Interested? Hi there. This is Paul from Team Coursova, along with Dr. Amit Parikh, Achal Goswami, and Adil Parikh. Together, we have happily sold over $7 million worth of digital courses and products during our 15-plus years of online business. Not only have we made millions of dollars for ourselves, but more importantly, we have also helped thousands of people build their profitable business online. And while we don't say this to brag, we do want to make one thing clear. E-learning is rapidly growing by leaps and bounds every year, and even during this pandemic. Yeah, you might have heard about giants like Udemy, Coursera, Udacity, Skillshare. They have thousands and thousands of users and making tons of money every single day. Now, you can teach anything or everything online, including photography, yoga, programming, school courses, foreign languages, accounting, dancing, gardening, makeup hacks, home decor, digital marketing, graphic designing, weight loss, pet care, cooking, personality development, video editing, baking, winemaking, car repairing, or anything else you want to teach, and take your fair share of market, which is still untapped to its full potential. But if you are like most people, you're probably tired of trying to piece together multiple complex software. hosting and commission-sucking third-party e-learning marketplaces, right? Or struggling with what course to sell and how to create one to start online. We know exactly how you feel. Even though we were succeeding with it, we couldn't deny how much frustrating it was. So, we decided to fix that problem. After years of learning and planning and coding, and after real user testing with thousands of real users, we're pleased to announce we've created that solution, and we'd like to share it with you today. Proudly presenting Coursova, the ultimate game-changer platform to create, sell, and deliver courses with zero tech hassles. It also comes with preloaded 10 red-hot and done-for-you HD video courses to start selling and profiting right away. So, let's have a closer look at it. It has never been easier to create your own academy online, but with Coursova, it is easy and fast. Coursova enables you to convert your knowledge into passive income stream and allows you to create, sell, and deliver courses on your own branded academy website. It gives you 100% control on your traffic, leads, and profits which you could lose by selling your courses on other third-party marketplaces. Coursova is an amazing platform, and let anyone sell courses online in 3 easy steps. 1. Create a course. Add your video lessons, ebooks, and reports to create a course, or just choose from 10 red-hot and done-for-you courses to quick start. 2. Add payment method. Add buy buttons of your favorite payment gateway to accept payments directly in your accounts. 3. Publishing office. Publish your courses on your own academy marketplace and keep 100% leads and profits. No sharing at all. No installation. No designing or other techie stuff. In few minutes, you can publish your profession online academy loaded with your courses, and everything works under a single dashboard with zero frustration of learning. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With Coursova, you can do much more. First, you can build pro-level and beautiful academy sites which have a professional marketplace with courses listing, blog, members area, lead management system, and an email ticketing system in just few minutes. These are proven converting sites to build you an instant authority. You can sell your courses on your own branded marketplace and have full control on your business. And those sites are 100% mobile, social media, and SEO ready. You can create courses quick and easy. Add unlimited video lessons, ebooks, and reports to create a course. Coursova make it very easy to create courses on any topic in any niche, right from the comfort of your home. Accept payments on Marketplace with your favorite payment gateway. Easy integration with PayPal, JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, etc. Even you can simply add a report and create a free course to build a targeted list in any niche. Plus, we are giving 10 DIY video courses on 10 hot topics, so even newbies can kickstart their e-learning business without any hassles. And that's just a handful of features. An entire host of other features that come included with Coursova when you sign up today. So, whatever your goal, we have a proven solution for you. So, just get your hands on Coursova to sell and market your courses online. And it streamlines everything for you 24/7 even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered, and that makes Coursova a cut above the rest. It's fast and easy. It's all in one platform. It's reliable. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-the-art solution, and I'm sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you. So, stop wasting your time and hard-earned money on website builders, course creators, commission-sucking third-party marketplaces, and other recurring software that undermine your efforts. Coursova has everything you need to start right away and scale it further. So, what are you waiting for? Coursova is available for just one-time price without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch of 7 days. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guaranteed. Grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now the clock is ticking here. So, click on the button below and get instant access to Coursova for this one-time low price before it turns to monthly recurring. Lastly, we Dr. Amit Parikh, Achal Goswami, Adil Parikh, and I congratulate you in advance for taking action now to build your successful business for years to come. The Coursova team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.
So here's the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase, but there are multiple OTOs. So the first one here says supercharge your experience to get 3 more times engagement leads and profits with this upgrade. So this is going to give you, you can drive more website visitors, targeted leads, customization, banner placements, powerful integrations, analytics, all kinds of extra things that you can add into this using this upgrade here. So this is an optional upgrade that you can get for, with this here and add it into your purchase. The next one here is going to remove all limitations, so you can go unlimited. The next one they have here is you can drive more traffic with this one, get better conversions. The enterprise edition here, and the last one says, would you like to make 3 times profits by getting everything done for you? So if you want to get more done for you, you can get this one. Or if you don't even want to have to deal with a sales funnel, you know that you're going to be getting some of the OTOs, you just want a big discount on everything. I'll also have a link in my YouTube description and on my bonus page to a bundle discount. With this bundle discount, you can save over $500, get everything all together. You get the front end software, you get all the different OTOs. You can even use a coupon code to get a discount on it, and you can get it all together and save $500 on it and get a bundle deal on it. So it's going to be up to you on how you want to do that. All the OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Coursova and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I mean, the fact that with courses, there is some like difficulty in the fact that you'll have to create the course, you'll have to add it into the system. So unless you use one of their done for you ones there, so you will need to actually go through the tutorials, learn how to do that, and then implement it. What do I like about this? I've made a lot of money online doing online courses. My first biggest success, I had a product launch that did about $50,000 in sales, and I ended up from the back end and everything making about $50,000 in profit. That was my first big win online. So I know that selling e-information, selling products online is definitely very, very profitable. If this is something you'd like to get into, you've always wanted to, but you needed a platform to do it on, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Coursova, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with the YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.